How to unlock new hunters in solo leveling Arise. First of all, open the game and head to the main lobby screen. Once you are there, tap on the Hunter Pass icon. This section is where you can unlock and recruit new hunters to expand your team. In the Summon section, you will see different banners or events offering hunters of various ranks and types. Each summon requires essence stones, summon tickets, or special event currencies. Choose the banner you want and tap the summon button to begin. You can perform single or multi-summons. Multi-summons are often recommended since they increase your chances of obtaining higher rarity hunters like epic or legendary hunters. If you run out of summon materials, you can earn more by completing mission, participating in event, or purchasing from the shop. Some hunters can also be unlocked through story progression, special event, or limited time reward. After summoning, newly unlocked hunters will appear in your collection. You can check their stats, upgrade their skills, and add them to your combat team to strengthen your squad. Now you know how to unlock new hunters in solo leveling Arise and build the ultimate Shadow army. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.